Hello. It's been a while. Well, I kind of missed the last one of these update videos from my carpet. Well, it was because of the super secret project, of course, that was me and Cody the writer, our Collab video, where we made a blind writing challenge. But I'm back now, and with a new mic attached to my master sword. I got a couple of things that I want to talk about, so why don't we just get started. The Collab video, let's start with that. It was amazingly fun, and if you guys haven't seen the video yet, I highly recommend that you do, of course. I spent maybe a little bit too long on the editing for that one, but it was so much fun. And in case you're wondering what on earth that Collab video was, well, I asked Cody if he wanted to do a blind writing challenge. Blind in a sense that we would be writing a story together without knowing what the other person wrote. So we would split a story into 4 parts, follow the hero's journey, because that seemed easiest, like loosely. And it was so much fun, I gotta say. It was, especially when we did the live stream over on Cody's channel. And I strongly urge you to go and watch that as well if you haven't, where we read our story aloud for the first time. And I read his parts, he read my parts, and it was just as incoherent and funny and perfect as I hoped it would be. So yeah, I strongly urge anyone who haven't seen them yet to go over there and watch them. The video on my channel and the live stream is on his channel. There's a link to them both in the description, probably also on the screen, maybe in the YouTube cards or somewhere. Next up, I want to talk book progress, because as of yesterday, I know this is coming up Saturday, but I'm recording this Thursday, the 2nd of July. So as of yesterday, we have officially begun chapter 20. I don't know if you can see it even. Can you see it? Maybe you can. Chapter 20. It's like, if I can point with the mic, it's like right there. It says 20. Chapter 19 turned out to be a doozy one as well. 30 pages basically, almost 30 pages written, and I've been stuck, I've been repeating myself, and I've been going in circles, just as I always do. But what do you know, we got there in the end, and now we can finally start the climax chapter 20, where Vespa is finally going to actually save the day, and we'll see how that pans out. But that also means, I don't know if you can see that flap right there. It says 100,000 words. Yeah, I know, it's actually crazy. 100,000 words. And I was scared back in November that I wouldn't be able to fill 50. Well, as I said, I repeat myself a lot and I go in circles. But yeah, it's all good. I need a new book actually. This is page 200, and I don't know if you can see it. It looks very, very bright on my screen. This is page 275, and I think there are like 292 pages in the notebook. Not like 200 pages, but like the last page is going to be 292 in that notebook. So unless I can finish the story, have the climax chapter, in the hero's journey, the resurrection, and then like the end chapter, the return with the elixir chapter, which is the final one in the hero's journey, and then the epilogue in less than 20 pages, then I think I am going to need a brand new book. So I better get started on actually buying that. But it is going great, and I can see the end. I think I said that last time, which is like 2 months ago now. Whatever, I can still see it. And then I guess the big one I don't know if it's a big one, but I just want to update you guys on what's happening with the writing lecture highlights and where they are. And it's going to be a little bit tied in with another point that I want to make, because as you guys probably know, I have been doing an internship as a landscape gardener, changing career path entirely, and it went really, really well. So I'm going to start what is called like the basic course of that education, and that is going to be from like the middle of August and to the end of the year. And then after that I'm going to need an apprenticeship somewhere, and you know, the education then lasts like 3 years or something like that. Anyway, because of that, and why it ties into Brandon Sanderson's writing lecture highlights, is that this basic course is taking place at a school quite far from here, from where I live, and the public transport is absolutely abysmal there, which is why I intend to stay there during the week when they offer this basic accommodations, which apparently is free, so that's good for me, good news for me. But that also means that I'm not going to be able to do anything on my PC, do any editing on my PC during the week of those months. So in order to not have my channel be sitting completely still, I intend to, from here on out and until I start, I intend to work hard and make as many lecture highlights as possible, and then sprinkle them out throughout the rest of the year, starting from probably mid-late August. So you're going to have to wait. I have recorded lecture number 4, and I am in the middle of editing. I've not done very much yet, but I am in the middle of editing it. So that's where it's at. I'm not sure yet how, depends on how many I manage to make, the frequency that they will then come out in. I think I'm sort of planning to have at least 5 ready for when I need to start, when I leave to start the basic landscape gardening course. So as you can hear, that also is going to change up things for the live stream. I'm not quite sure yet, but what's going to happen. But like, I of course can't live stream Mondays and Wednesdays since I'm not going to be in my apartment. So it's probably going to be either Saturday or Sunday for a couple of hours, starting from mid-August. So yeah, big changes are coming. That also means that the channel at the moment is mostly going to be live streams Mondays and Wednesdays, and then I guess this here and the next one, the next update video. But I'm excited for that course. And not only that, but I'm kind of excited to see, because I intend to bring my writing stuff with me, and I'm excited to see, you know, when I don't have to worry, when I can't worry about videos, how much I'm going to be able to do on the book. So, you know, exciting times ahead. A little bit of a standstill at the moment. I do apologize for that, but I think it's for the better for the channel. And then we will see. I will of course keep you posted, keep you updated whenever a live stream or a new video is coming out. I think that was it. So to sum up, go watch the Collab video if you haven't. We finished chapter 19 and 100,000 words. I'm going to start a new education, new career shift, and because of that, I will put highlight lectures on hold until mid-late August, and then there will hopefully be a steady stream of the highlight lectures. And now that I just talked about it, let me see if I need to go over here. I think this is the right way. So if I point there, that's the Collab video. Up there is actually the Collab video that I just talked about, and you should definitely click it. If you have clicked that but haven't seen the live stream, why don't you click the link to the live stream on Cody's channel? Right, remember that we write our own stories. All right, bye.